Welcome students. Today we will take chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables elimination method. Here we are having a system of linear equations and we will solve it by elimination method. Mark the first equation as equation 1 and the second one as equation 2. Now, the whole process is focusing on making the coefficient of either of the variables equal. Here we are going to make the coefficient of x equal. Now you can see that the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1 and equation 2 is 2. So what is the common multiple of 1 and 2? It is 2. So we'll multiply the equation 1 with 2. The whole equation will be multiplied with 2. When we multiply the whole equation with 2, what shall we get? We will get 2 into x 2x plus 2 into y 2y and 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Mark this equation as equation 3. And now you can see that equation 2, which was previously over here, is again repeated over here. So we just change the equation 1 by multiplying the whole equation by 2. Consequently, we got both the equations such that the coefficient of x have become equal. This was required from the sum. Either you make the coefficient of x equal or you can make the coefficient of y equal. Here we have tried to make the coefficients of x equal. Now, once they become equal, it will be very simple for us to eliminate them. How can we eliminate them? We are going to subtract this equation 2 from equation 3, which I have done it over here. On subtracting the second equation, this equation, you have to change the sign of the numbers. Here you are having the sign of coefficient 2 is plus, it will become minus, and this minus sign will become plus, and here also the positive 4 will become negative 4. Now it will become very easy for us to eliminate the x term. Why? Because 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into x is 0. Hence the term has got eliminated. The variable x has got eliminated. And we are remained with only one variable, that is y. Now be careful in doing calculation for this variable. Here in the first equation is 2y and in the second equation it is plus 3y. So 2 plus 3 is 5y. Why is it that? Because we have changed the sign of the second equation. Now why did we change the sign? Because we are subtracting. Here it is. We are subtracting this equation from the above equation. You can say this above equation, this is below equation. And we are subtracting the equation which is below from the above equation. Now we are remained with 5y is equal to 6 and we can get easily the value of y, that is by transposing 5 to RHS, we get 6 upon 5. Now again a very simple step is that we will substitute this value in the equation 1 because equation 1 is a simpler equation and it will become easy for us to substitute the value of y in equation 1. So here it goes. We have substituted the value of y. It means we have replaced y with 6 upon 5. And in the next step, we have transposed 6 upon 5 to RHS. Then we have taken LCM. We cross multiply 5 with 5. We get 25 minus 6 and the denominator becomes common. And thereby we get the value of variable x is equal to 19 upon 5. Hence we got the solution, that is we got the solution of the variables x and y, the set of variables x and y. That was required from this sum to get the value of x and y variables through elimination method. Here there is a second sum with a system of linear equations in two variables, and we are going to find the values of variables x and y with the help of elimination method. There is slight variation in this sum. I'm going to try my hands on eliminating variable y this time. And here we are provided with the addition of these two equations instead of subtraction. We will add these two equations because in the previous sum we subtracted it. This time there is slight variation. We will add the two equations to eliminate the variable y. With these two variations, let me begin the sum. So mark the first equation as 1 and the second one as 2. Now you can see that in equation 1, the coefficient of variable y is 2 upon 3, but in equation 2, the coefficient of variable y is 1 upon 3. So I will convert this 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. How can I do it? I will multiply the entire equation 2 with the number 2. So I'll multiply this with 2. Then what shall I get? It's over here. On multiplying 2 with x, I get 2x. On multiplying minus 1 by 3 with 2, I get minus 2 by 3y. And on multiplying 3 with 2, I got 6 in RHS. So we are ready with the new equation that is called equation 3 that we got on multiplying equation 2 by 2. We have write the equation 1 as it is below the equation 3. And now I told there is a variation over here. We need not subtract. Why we need not subtract? Because it is directly provided with minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3, which will get eliminated directly. We did not work on it. If we add these two equations, then the variable y will get eliminated directly. That is why we are going to add 3 and 1 and not subtract. So on adding the equation 3 and 1, this variable y is getting eliminated, hence the name elimination method. Now what about the terms of having variable x? So let us add them. 2x plus x by 2, I have added it them over here. You take the LCM, 2 into 2, 4x, and plus x upon 2 in the denominator, you get 5x upon 2. Here is that 5x upon 2. And what about the RHS? In RHS, you get 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. You transpose 5 by 2 are in the RHS. When you transpose 5 by 2, it will become reciprocal 2 upon 5. 5 will get eliminated in numerator and denominator, and you are remain with x is equal to 2. Now we will substitute this value of x is equal to 2 in equation 2 because it is a simpler one. So we are going to replace this x with 2, which is over here. Minus y by 3 is equal to 3. And again we are going to take LCM, which I have shown to you over here. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus y upon 3. Transpose this 3 to RHS, you get 9. Again you transpose it to LHS, you get minus 9. And you transpose minus y to RHS. Thereby you are getting y is equal to minus 3. Hence we arrived at the result y is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2 are the two values of the variable x and y respectively. Here is an assignment for you. You are provided with 3 sums and do practice it. Best of luck to you. Thank you.